Here are some topics we'll cover that can help you know what to say when you talk about resiliency with your children. Just to get started, what's the age of the child you want to talk about today? And if you have more than one kid that you'd like to talk about, feel free to come back later and we can talk about them too. Okay, great. There are a few different skills when it comes to building resiliency that we can talk about today. The strategies that I've found to be helpful, I call identify, approach, and get support. Identify is a helpful skill when your child might be going through a challenge. Perhaps you've noticed a change in their behavior or attitude. Sometimes the changes could be something ranging from struggling to transition from TV time to dinner time, or something like missing school. You can also approach your child about building resiliency. It's great to learn effective communication techniques that will help set the foundation for and build resiliency. Some of these are starting a conversation, modeling listening skills, and activities you can do together that build resiliency. If any of these interest you, this might be a good topic to cover. Finally, you can get support for your child or yourself from support services. There's a range of services, and we talk about where to go if you're looking for some extra guidance. We also talk about where to go if your child is showing more concerning behaviors, or if you don't feel equipped to help them with what they're going through. So what topic would you like to talk about first? Remember, we can always chat about other topics at any point.